Hey, this is Jerry. Welcome back to the Happy Place Diaries. It's great to have you along, friends. Hey, in this video, we're going to accomplish two things. Number one, we're going to add to the winterization of our RV, meaning that we're going to prepare for cold weather camping, not cold weather storage. And we're going to also prepare for warm weather camping. So stay tuned. Hey friends, welcome back to the Happy Place Diaries. Hey, if you haven't done so yet, hit that subscribe button. We're building community around here. And, go ahead and share it with a friend. I'm sure they'll get something out of this video. Hey, in this video, we're going to use a product called REFLECTIX. Hey folks, let me jump in real quick. Hey, make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end of the video, because we're going to have a real special announcement on a schedule change, and that's a special guest for our upcoming video, so stick around to the end. And I was first turned on to REFLECTIX when I was backpacking, and we use REFLECTIX for all kinds of stuff. We use it for pot insulators, water bottle insulators, and with our Scouts, we have them go ahead and get this for winter camping because it reflects about 70% of your body heat back at you. Well, if it could do that, then it could do wonders in your RV. And by way of insulation, hey, we all know that the insulation, well, it's okay in RVs, but it could be a lot better. These cabinets right behind me, they take the brunt of the outside temperature, whether it's hot or whether it's cold. So in this video, we're going to take that REFLECTIX and we're going to line the outside wall of the trailer with this. So come along, we're going to show you and give you an explanation of what it's doing. And really, it has all to do with chocolate. All right, so these are amazingly great storage bins. We use it for all kinds of stuff. We have a tote up here that has all the pet supplies in it, a tote in the middle that we store all of our tools and the things that we need around the RV, a little miscellaneous catch-all, and then on these back ones, we have our snacks and our games. And what happens is when it's like super hot outside, this outside wall in here, and I'll show you that. This wall goes directly to the outside. It's about 46 degrees outside right now. And just putting my hand on this wall, I can feel that there's cold temperatures coming through this wall. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean out all these cabinets, and we're going to go ahead and fit and put REFLECTIX in. What that REFLECTIX is going to do is it's going to add a layer of insulation between the outside and the inside, and that way it'll keep cold things cold, and it'll keep my chocolate, which we keep in our snack bin, from melting. It's also going to keep things from freezing. And so anyway, we put a little bit of REFLECTIX when we had the dinette. We put some under there because it's on the slide out. And while we had carpeting, you could still feel sometimes air coming through there. Haven't felt it lately. The other place that we're going to put the REFLECTIX is back in the bedroom. And I'll show you that toward the end of the video. So stay tuned. All right, the bins are empty. So all you need for this project really is the REFLECTIX. I picked up a 10-foot roll of REFLECTIX at Home Depot for 10 bucks. So $1 a foot, and it comes in this width by 10 feet. So I don't even know what that width is, but you be the judge. So 10 bucks for a whole roll of REFLECTIX. A pair of scissors, and I'm using the 3M two-sided tape because I don't want to glue it in. I don't want to staple it in. So I'm going to go ahead and two-sided tape all along. The nice thing is in here, there is no frame. It's all wall right there. So we're going to go ahead and measure a bit and see where we're at, see what we need to cut. All right, so what I did was I just cut me a little piece so that I could get a good measurement. And I think what I've decided is it's about 1 inch too much. And that's actually perfect. If I don't cut any of the width, I can go ahead and just put the entire roll down, and it lips up. And it lips up. So here's the bottom of the bin. It goes up, and then there's a 1 inch lip right there, which holds the Reflectix in place. And, you know, adds maybe a little bit of extra 1 inch of insulation. That way I don't have to use tape at all. So let's go ahead and cut that and get it installed. So right here I had to cut a little notch because we have a command hook right here that we hang secret keys on. All right, that should do it. So we've got the entire back wall here done with Reflectix, and then I even wrapped it around the sidewall here because this is the snack zone in here. Hey, so that's it. That's a good project up here on the back side. Now let's go back in the bedroom and show you what I'm going to do back there with the Reflectix. Okay, so what we've noticed back here in the bedroom is we're looking in the closet. This is the closet right behind, or right on my side of the bed. What we've noticed is right below this cabinet right here and back into there is the storage compartment from down below. And what I noticed was on our last outing, I left the storage compartment door open on the outside, and you could feel the cold air moving right on up through here. So what I'm going to do is on my side and on Teresa's closet, I'm going to take just a piece of that Reflectix and put it on the floor of this closet. So down onto here. So I have to take my little drawers out, and we found these nice little drawers and added those in. Really nice for clothes. That was a pro tip. Anyway, so I'm going to take that out and cut some Reflectix and put it in there. So now you can see the closet's empty. Got our little cabinets out, and that goes way back there. Because that's where the arc of the slope of the front of the trailer is. So we're going to go ahead and cover that floor up with Reflectix. All right, I got exact measurements there, and it's about armpit deep, so I cut an armpit deep spot. So we're going to go ahead and put my cabinets back in and see what that looks like. All right, so there you go. Put back in there, and that should do it. All right, hey, we got a great special guest in our next video. We got Randy from Randy's Adventures that's doing a special video with me, and you're gonna not want to miss that topic. The other thing about that is our Wednesday video is going to be put out on Thursday.
I've just decided to switch our Friday schedule to Monday, which means that the test we take each Friday on what we learned during the week will now take place on Monday before we've learned it.
So if you're looking for Wednesday's video, wait one more day. It will be out. We're going to publish that on Thursday. So go ahead and stay tuned for that. It's going to be a great video. You're not going to want to miss it. So one of the things that I noticed when I was back in the bedroom putting that underneath the cabinets is just to the touch, and all my cabinet doors are closed on the outside right now, but just to the touch, when I took the cabinets out, that surface was cold. So, you know, even if we just add a couple degrees, or, you know, keep that ambient temperature where we want it, by putting a little bit of Reflectix, I mean, for 10 bucks, you can do every cabinet in your trailer. You know, and it really doesn't look bad. You know, here it is with it in there. Still get to everything. It doesn't take up any space. It's going to keep our snacks from melting, keep things from freezing. Add a little bit to the insulation value of the trailer. And when the doors are closed, you don't even know. Hey, hope you like this quick tip. You know, $10 worth of Reflectix could give you 10 degrees in the trailer. Hey, thanks for coming along. Check out this video right here, and click that subscribe button and like it and share it with a friend. We appreciate you coming along. Thank you much.